Hi, 5th grade. Are you ready for some rhythms and to sing our fun Hungarian song? I am. Let's start with doing some rhythms. I will say some and then you echo me. Make sure that you clap. Ti-ti-ta, tika-tika-ta. Cinco patomti. Ti-tom, cinco pa. Cinco pa, tika-tika-ta. Tim-ka-ti-ti-ti-tika-ta. Tika-ti-tika-ti-tim-ka-ta. Tu-ta-tim-ka. All right, let's review our rhythms. As you know, you've got a ton of rhythms that are all in your knowledge bank, and we are looking for a new rhythm. Last week, we were talking about a little bit about the sound that it makes and how many sounds on how many beats. We said that it was 2 sounds on 1 beat, and we also talked about long or short, short or long. So let's review that today a little bit. And pretty soon, we're going to find out what that new rhythm is. So part of finding out what a rhythm is knowing how many sounds on how many beats. So let's quickly review the names of our notes. That means what the musicians call them and how many sounds on how many beats. So we know ta is 1 sound on 1 beat, and musicians call it quarter note. TTs are 2 sounds on 1 beat. Musicians call them 1/8 notes. Each one is worth how many beats? 1/2. A quarter rest is 1 silence over 1 beat. Tika-tika is 4 sounds over 1 beat. So musicians call these 1/16 notes, and each one is worth 1/4. 2 musicians call 1/2 note, and it's 1 sound over 2 beats. Ti-tika and tika-ti are 3 sounds over 1 beat. Musicians just call them 1/8 with 2 16th notes and vice versa. Cinco pa, 3 sounds over 2 beats. Musicians call them 1/8 note, a quarter note, and 1/8 note. So we have 1/2 a beat, 1 beat, and 1/2 a beat. 1/2 plus 1 plus 1/2 equals how many beats? 2. Then we have tom-ti and ti-tom, 2 sounds over 2 beats, and musicians call this a dotted quarter note and an 1/8 note. How much is a dotted quarter note worth? 1.5 beats. How much is an 1/8 note worth? 1/2. So 1.5 plus 1/2 equals how many beats? 2. Then we have timka, our new rhythm, and musicians call this a dotted 1/8 16th because this looks like a T and it's got a dotted 1/8 note, plus a 16th note. And if you put 3 16th notes together, plus 1 16th note, the way you divide that up is going to be 3/4 of a beat plus 1/4. So 3/4 plus 1/4 equals 1. It's like if you're cooking and you have to put 1/4 of a cup in and then 3/4 of a cup in, that's the way it's divided, 3/4 and 1/4. Okay, so I did a little digging, and our Hungarian song, which actually means to the good cavalry soldier, is pronounced Ajo lovas katonanak. Ajo lovas katonanak. And I've probably butchered that to most Hungarians, but that's what it's called in Hungarian. All right, let's see where those new rhythms are in this song. Here we go, we're gonna sing it. Why don't you pat your lap and see if you can tell how many sounds on each beat as we go. Ready, go. The good hussar soldier's life is full of fun and pleasure. Eating, drinking in the camp, such happy days to treasure. Oh, happy life, it's full of fun and laughter. If you like this sort of thing, all hussar's life you're after. All right, so I know that I feel like we've done this one before, so we're going to quickly review this. So hopefully I'm not going to go too fast for you today. All right, so here we go. The good. How many sounds? 2. Is it a Timka? The good. No. Is it a TT? TT? The good. Right off the bat, the new note. All right, so how many sounds was that? 2, right? Okay. And we're going to come back to that and try to figure out how if it's fast to slow, slow to fast. The good hussar. New note again, same thing. Soldiers. The good hussar, soldiers. 3 of the new notes all together. Life is. 2 sounds again. Is it the new note? Is it life is? Listen carefully. Life is. TT. We have 2 sounds, but they're equal weight. The good hussar, soldiers, life is full of fun and let's just do this full of. New rhythm again. Fun and TT. Ta-ta. Hopefully you got that. Eating, drinking, in the new note again 3 times, and hopefully you've noticed that's just like line A. What about the last beat though? Eating, drinking, in the camp such. Camp such. TT again. All right, let's keep going. Happy. Happy. Is it a Timka? Happy. Or is it the new note? Happy. New rhythm. Days to treasure. TT, ta, ta. So you can see right now we've got an A, B form. Let's see if it continues in that way. Oh, life, oh, happy life, it's... Same or different? Is it the same as A? Oh, life, oh, happy life, it's... Nope. Is it the same as B? Oh, life, oh, happy life, it's... No. So we've got a new form, C. So what's the first one? O, ta, life, O, TT, happy. 2 sounds. Is it long, short? Or short, long. Happy. Short, long. So our new rhythm. So another thing we discovered, our new rhythm is 2 sounds and it is short, long. Okay, over 1 beat. Oh, life, oh, happy life, it's. Life, it's. TT. Full of. New rhythm again. Fun and. TT. Laughter. Ta, ta. Okay, wait. Is there anything like this rhythm? Line A, line B, or line C? B again. All right. If you like this sort of thing, what about if you? If you. New rhythm again. Wow, it's all over this song. Like this. TT. Sort of. Sort of. Short, long again. Thing of. TT. Okay, let's look at this one. Is this A, B, or C, or is this a D? Question mark, TT, question mark, TT. Question mark, TT, question mark, not B, question mark, no, not C, question mark, no, not A, so it's D. Thing the hussar's life you're after. Thing the TT, hussars. Hussars. Short, long, or long, short? Hussars. Short, long, new rhythm. life your app. Whoops, sorry. If you, let's go back to here. Let's see here. If you like this sort of, where's that? If you like this sort of thing, oh, hustlers. Oops, my bad. After, there we go. Hustlers. Question mark again. Life your TT. After ta-ta. All right, do we have an E or is it an A, B, C, or D? Question mark, TT, ta-ta. B. All right, so a very interesting form. A, B, A, B, C, B, D, B. So a lot of B's in there. All right, so when we do this song reviewing, let's do on DD right now. Okay, so here we go. You're going to clap. I'm going to say it with you, just so you can remember where we are. Ready, go. Dee-dee, 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 ta-ta. Dee-dee, 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 ta-ta. Ta-dee-dee, dee-dee, 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 ta-ta. Dee-dee, 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 ta-ta. Whoa, that's a lot of stuff to remember. Let's do it again. How about short, long? Gonna have to spit that out. Ready, go. Short, long, short, long, short, long, tee-tee, short, long, tee-tee, ta-ta. Short, long, short, long, short, long, tee-tee, short, long, tee-tee, ta-ta. Ta-tee-tee, short, long, tee-tee, short, long, tee-tee, ta-ta. Short, long, tee-tee, short, long, tee-tee, short, long, tee-tee, ta-ta. Okay, one more time. This time you come up with a word for the short long, and I'm gonna say eyeballs because it kind of sounds like it. I know. Too much time in my house, right? Ready, go. Eyeballs, 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 tee-tee, eyeballs, tee-tee, ta-ta. Eyeballs, 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 tee-tee, eyeballs, tee-tee, ta-ta. Ta-tee-tee, eyeballs, tee-tee, eyeballs, tee-tee, ta-ta. Eyeballs, tee-tee, eyeballs, tee-tee, eyeballs, tee-tee, ta-ta. All right, hopefully you had some fun with this. I did. And I will see you next time. Hold tight.